Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the fascinating story of Samuel Thomson, the man who revolutionized herbal medicine. Born on February 9, 1769, Thomson was a self-taught herbalist and botanist whose innovative approach to medicine made a huge impact in the 19th century. Thomson's journey began in rural New Hampshire, where he developed an early interest in plants. With no formal education in medicine, he relied heavily on observation and experimentation. Imagine this, a young boy curious about the natural world, determined to find healing properties in the plants around him. That was Samuel Thomson. By his 20s, Thomson had created his own system of herbal medicine, which he called Thomsonian medicine. His philosophy was simple: nature provides the best remedies. He believed that illness stemmed from imbalances in the body and that herbs could restore harmony. Thomson's methods included a focus on stimulating the body's natural heat, promoting sweating, and using herbs like lobelia and cayenne pepper. He published his findings in a book titled New Guide to Health in 1822, which became a bestseller and spread his ideas far and wide. But Thomson's influence didn't stop there. Enter Dr. John R. Christopher, another giant in herbal medicine. Born in 1909, Christopher was greatly inspired by Thomson's work. He continued the legacy, founding the School of Natural Healing in 1953. Christopher was a strong advocate for using herbs as a primary form of treatment and created numerous formulas that are still in use today. Then there's Dr. Richard Schulze, who also carried the torch. Schulze, a student of Dr. Christopher, is known for his no-nonsense approach to natural healing. He's been a vocal proponent of detoxification and using potent herbal remedies to tackle even serious health issues. Through his clinic and educational programs, Schulze has helped countless individuals embrace natural medicine. Together, these pioneers have left an indelible mark on the world of alternative medicine. From Thomson's humble beginnings to the widespread influence of Christopher and Schulze, the legacy of herbal medicine continues to thrive. So, what can we learn from these herbal legends? First, never underestimate the power of nature. Plants have been used for centuries to heal and nurture the body. Second, always be curious and willing to learn. Just like Thomson, your journey in health can start with a single question or observation. And remember, it's important to consult with healthcare professionals before starting any new health regimen. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this dive into the history of herbal medicine, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more health insights. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy.